Great day! Happy blessed Sunday, everyone! I'm Javelin Villafranca, 31 years of age, currently living here in Italy together with my son and my husband. I'm an official online franchisee and authorized wholesaler distributor of House of Franchise and JC Premier Products. So, kung OFW ka, may mga kamag-anak ka, anak, pamangkin, tita, tito, nanay, tatay, lolo, lola sa Pilipinas na gusto mong regaluhan o kaya padalhan ng mga JC Premier products, which includes organic barley, juice and capsules, mga K-Pods and other type of products, no? And House of Franchise like Siomai King, Chocolate King, Burger Factory, Mango, Boy Bundan, you name it. Pwede nyong i-type yung shop link ko, like here and here, no? Tapos, kapag naman kung gusto nyo mag-franchise ng food business or JC Premier business, kindly PM me, private message lang ako, directly message lang ako, and I'm willing to help, no? And then, kung kayo naman sa Pilipinas, like for mga clients ko dyan sa Ternate, Cavite, mga kababayan ko from Ternateños, Maragondon, and Naik, no? Whenever you are willing to go and visit my shop link, siomaiking.ph, kindly select yung location nyo sa Naik, Cavite. Kasi doon meron tayong directly kukunin natin yung ating mga products from Naik, Cavite. So doon meron tayong food hub. So, yung mga kababayan dyan, Ternateños, kindly support my page and ang aking business. Thank you and a blessed Sunday, everyone!